Hello students, today we discuss about the continuation of organisms and population. The next subtopic related to organism and population related to 13.2 populations. In that before we discuss about this population, what are the few more adaptations related to this organism? Already last class we discussed some among these one. They have given different types of these examples related to different scientists. They said about different climatic conditions and all. That is related to Allen's rule. Allen's rule represent related to smaller, shorter size of the extremities. That means nose as well as ears. Then it reduce in its heat and all. Whenever reduce the size of the extremities, that means nose as well as ears, whomever living in polar area and all, like polar bear and all. When you compare to the normal terrestrial bear, black and all, in white bear related to smaller size of the nose as well as ears to reduce in its heat and all. Then Benjamin's rule, larger size of the organism. The organisms lives in polar region, little bit larger than warmer region and all. It is also little bit adjusted because of less surface area. Then it also reduce the loss of temperature and all. Then Jordan's rule related to number of vertebrates by hatching of fishes and all, fish eggs and all. Normally at 4 degrees Celsius, the hatching of fishes, they produces 58 vertebral columns. When you compare to the 10 to 11 degrees Celsius hatching of the eggs of the fishes, the eggs and all, they in 10 to 11, 54 vertebral columns, whereas 4 degrees, 58. That is also increase in its size of the organism whenever lives into the colder regions and all. Related to Golgi's rules and all. What it represent? Golgi's rule, already we said, the organism which exposed to maximum amount of the temperature, it becomes into the dark. What is the advantage of the darkness? It resists against ultraviolet rays and all. That is the main advantage. That means tanning of the organisms. Then wrenches, the colder climatic conditions of the birds, it present narrow size of the wings. Then easy can able to move from one place to another place and all. When you compare to the warmer area and all. So it is also, it must considerable. Among these one, many times they asked to do Allen's rule as well as Glogger's are related to which it represent darker in warmer region and all. Remaining also remember like Benjamin, little bit larger size, wrenches, little bit more number of vertebral column in fishes if it is hatching and all. Then in that continuation, population, what is meant by population? Very simple. A group of organism. Normally it is called as population and all. Why we study about this population? No one organism may not develop, may not survival maximum period of time if it lives into the alone and all. That's why compulsory it becomes colonized. Compulsory it becomes group. Compulsory it must together. Then only it must survival maximum period of time. Because of if it is get together automatically inbreeding among the same species and all. So very simple, a group of the species and all. Or scientifically if you say what is the definition of the population? Population represent group of individuals of the same species or particular species in a specific geographical area and all. That means group of individuals of any specific species, either human either a dog, either a cat, either a rat, either any other butterfly, insects, anyone specific species. In that particular, the specific geographical area, it present specific it is present a specific geographical area that indicates that represent as this population. This population, it acts as a functional unit of the bio-community. If it is present, automatically it acts as a functional unit of bio-community. That's why, that already we said, it is the basic unit of the ecological hierarchy. Similarly, whenever it is present, what is any one or two examples you say related to these respectable of population and examples? In this, cormorants, one type of the birds, group of cormorants present in that wetlands and all. Cormorants, one type of the birds, it lives in that one, or a herd of the cows which are present in specific area and all. Then the tunnel or burrowing of the soil which are present, abundant, which are present the inner part of the soil, that means rats. Abundantly, number of rats present in a tunnel or a den are regarding related to small size. Den related to lion tunnels which are maximum number of that rat population, it is present and all. Then along with this one, a forest. In that forest area, that is wood plants present in a forest region and all. Then apart from this one, parameciums, it is present in culture media. Or in one particular petri dish. Other than paramecium, like we said, related to bacteria. Bacteria is also it considerable and all. Then mosquito fishes. Where it is present on pond. Like that many other examples of the population and all. In this population, alonely, solitarily, it unable to work. When it represents, then what are the specific attributes are present in the population? Here we discuss about population attributes. What is the meaning of attribute? Attribute nothing but it is a type of the features. That means what are the characteristic features of the population? Characters or attributes. Population attributes. Then in this, if you observe the population attribute, the population size, the population density, the sex ratio, as well as age ratio, along with this one, it is also considerable carrying capacity, ecological, it is also represent in the ecological resistance. Why? Because in that population ecology, it links between genetics as well as evolution and all. Population ecology links between genetics as well as evolution. In that one, the population density as well as population related to ecological resistance, sex ratio, that population fluctuation, population distribution, that means the regarding related to in its age distribution. In that sex ratio, apart from this one, birth rate as well as death rate, all are represent of this one, the population attributes. Among this one, here we discuss detail about the birth rate, death rate, as well as sex ratio, population size, as well as density. Very detailedly, remaining characters also it must represented. It is indicated and all. So in this population attributes, normally any individual organism, how it measures and all. Normally in individual their birth as well as their death and all. Any one among the individual solitary organisms, they measured as their birth as well as death. But how it represent to measure the group of that particular population and all. In that very important attributes, that is birth rate as well as death rate, or otherwise we call it as natality rate. This is mortality rate, natality as well as mortality. So population represent birth rate, population birth rate, population death rate. It is not represent birth of the population, death of the population. They represent. For example, there will be present 20 number of lotus plants are present per year. In that one, 8 a specific, a new species are developed in that area and all. Then what is the percentage? What is the birth rate of that particular individuals and all? Then you calculate in this birth rate, very simple. There are 20 individuals are present. In this one, they added 8. Then to calculate 8 by 20, that is per year. Per year, the birth rate will be 0.4 and all. Similarly, per year. Similarly, death rate, if you calculate, there is a 40 individuals minus 4 after death per week and all. It is related to lotus. It is related to Drosophila, fruit fly and all. 4 by 40, 0.1% per week. It is per year. So like that, very simple. They have given, if any exam point of view, they represent what is the total number of individuals. How many number of individuals are dead if they calculate mortality rate. If they need to ask natality rate, they must give total number of individuals per year. Similarly, how that birth rate, how the number of individuals, the birth, it must particular environmental conditions, both they must give. Like this calculation one can do, then automatically it must come the percentage of birth rate as well as death rate and all. Then apart from this one, it is also very important attributes related to sex ratio. What is the sex ratio related to human beings? For every 1,000 male individuals, what is the number of the female individuals are present and all? In based on 2001 census, it is related to 2001. So census in that sense, the total number of individuals, calculation, the calculation of total number of individuals in human being, it represents, it indicates in the form of census. Once in a decade, it must be done and all. In this 2001 census, it is present 929 for every 1,000 male and all. In 2011, 940 for every 1,000 male. Like this sex ratio are present, or if it is represent that there is a 40% or 50%, 60%, 30%, whatever it may be. So 60% of female, 40% of male, or vice versa. So it represents, why? Because in a particular population, the organisms, both male and female also it is present and all. Then what about distribution? There is age distribution. Another attribute, population attribute, age distribution. what type of different types of age distributions are normally observed under? There are three particular age distributions are present. One is the pre-reproductive age. Next one, reproductive age. Next, post-reproductive age and all. These three different categories it must represented and all. In this, for proper distribution of age in differently pre-reproductive, reproductive as well as post-reproductive, then it indicates in the form of pyramids and all. That is, otherwise it is known as age pyramids. It represents age pyramids. There are three different types of age pyramids normally observed and all. What type of these three different types of age pyramids are present? That is, one is the triangular age pyramid, then bell-shaped age pyramid, another one urn age pyramid and all. One among these one, triangular age pyramid, in this triangular age pyramid, expansion of the population, extension of the population, growth rate of the population, to increase growth rate of the population. In this triangular pyramid, the number of individuals it is present. So in middle, whatever this one, this is the dotted lines represent pre-reproductive age and all. This is pre-reproductive. These two reproductive. The law. This one post reproductive and all. In this pre-reproductive, when we said that is the pre-reproductive age of that particular organism, suppose if they represent in human beings and all, that is below 18 years, it represents below 18 years. Reproductive age between 20 to 40 years and all. Post-reproductive age 40 to 70 years. If it represents human beings and all, then along with this one, the middle of this, if it represents one line, it indicates one among the areas are male, another areas are female, half of male, half of female and all. It represents half of male as well as half of male. Here, maximum number of the pre-reproductive stage are present, that means expansion. Then, related to stable population, if we observe stable population, if you observe in the stable population, the same, you represent the same, here dotted and all. Here, what you observe in exam point that is important, in stable population, especially the pre-reproductive and the reproductive age of the individuals are almost all equal. But post-reproductive age of the individuals are fewer number. That represent it is the stable population. In this stable population, that is bell-shaped one. Bell-shaped age pyramid. That is a triangular shape. Then related to another one, decline shape. In decline shape, if we observe the pre-reproductive, the number will be very less and all. There is unshaped age pyramid. That is, it represents decline. Here, very simple, easily you represent here half of male and all. Suppose here male, here female. Like that, similarly, each and every, it indicates and all. Decline or unshaped and all. In that unshaped, it represents very simple logic. Whenever pre-reproductive age of the individual's number will be very low when you compare to the reproductive age, such type of age pyramid, normally it consider, they give different options, either stable, either decline, either related to expansion, or all of the above, or none of the above now. Then your answer is the decline. Both pre-reproductive and reproductive age, both are similar, but little bit fewer in post-reproductive, that is stable and all. So when it becomes or expansion and all, normally pre-reproductive age, whenever it is present, it represents as this one, expansion and all. Then along with this one, the population size. What is the population size? Population size in that sense, the total number of individuals or total number of organisms, the specific species present in a specific geographical area and all. But very simple, total number of organisms, total number of individuals. But it represents a specific individuals and all. That is, it represents the total number of specific species in given area, in particular area, in particular geographical area, that represent population size. But how you say some of the areas becomes more number of population? How can you say some of the areas present less number of the population? But population size, that is very important. Population size tells us that outcome of competition. So the population size, it tells us outcome of population size that means it tells us outcome of competition. It overcome against this competition. Then only such type of organisms, such type of number of individuals, they must stable, they must survival in that a specific geographical area. More number also it represent and all. Then it is also inbreed or a specific, whatever the population, it easily inbreed and produce a similar resistant type of the organisms. That is common and all. Whenever that inbreeding capacity, that means reproductive capability. That is also, it must increase the number of the individuals and all. Then effect of parasites. Effects of parasites or predators. The organism which overcome, which affect, whatever they affect, or whatever, especially whatever infect of parasite. Any type of parasites, if it is infect, the organism, if it cope up with such type of the parasites, then only it is survival, then only it must present in that specific environmental conditions and all. Then similarly, effect of pesticides. If it is effects of pesticides, whenever it control against that respectable of pesticides and all, that is also one among the important characteristic feature, the size of the particular individuals and all. That is, related to another very important that specific habitat and all. That means the status of the habitat. So all these it tells the size of the population. If it is more number of parasites, the number of organisms automatically reduce. If the status of habitat unfavorable, less number is present. Favorable, more number is present. If unable to compete, the organisms eliminate from their population. Similarly, NEET exam, maximum competition is there. Whomever compete with the other student with the same species, that particular human being only, they must overcome, they must outcome that specific competition with a positive manner. Here also, whatever rather than other species, they must compete regarding related to its habitat, regarding related to its mating, regarding related to in its food. All these, whomever compete, that organisms only it must survive. Already the Darwin said natural selection. Based on that one only, it must cope up with and all. This it must be tells about this population size. But how it measures the population size and all. If it is 100 members, easily it remember, easily identified. Then if it is several millions, time being process, very difficult process, unable to count all these respectable of organisms. Then what is the best method that regarding related to this one? That means technically population size. It also represents population density. It is also represent population density that indicates as the capital N and R. Technically, what is the population density? The total number of organisms in a specific or per unit area. Here also total number of organisms. But in given per unit area, number of individuals of specific species per unit area. That population density, it is represent total number of individuals in a particular region. It is the area, the specific area. So how many number of unit, that is unit areas in that specific unit areas, number of unit areas present in a given region and all. Number of individuals present in a given region, that represent, that indicates population density and all. But this population density, how it calculate, that is related to the population size. For example, population size, how it to calculate the population size, whenever very least number, whenever it is maximum, then it must identify. Then overall it must set and all. For example, less than 10 number Siberian crane which are present at one among these Bharatpur in that Kelidiv National Park and all. Any year, if it is present, then the population size will be declined. That is several millions of parameciums, several millions of bacteria, several millions of microorganisms in one petri dish. That it is also, it indicates, it represents, but it is a time being process if it is more in number and all. But this population density, for example, 200 a specific Parthenium plants are there. For example, population density 200, the Parthenium plants, that is one type of the herb plants are present and all. Then only one banyan tree is present with a large canopy. Then which among these particular, according to definition just now I said, total number of individuals per unit area. Here, among these two, what is the number of the individuals are more in number? Parthenium. So that's why the population density is more in Parthenium when you compare to the banyan. But according to another scientists and all, then it is not only taken number of the individuals, but also the area, that the percent area, it is also very important, the population density. So observe very carefully, population density is not only calculate the number of individuals. If it is larger, easily identified. If it is smaller, everything under. Then in that specific, that representation of the organisms under, not only total number, but also it is also indicate percent area, or related to biomass, the organism which occupies maximum biomass in the specified area, that organism represent more density when you compare to the smaller individuals and all. It is also latestly they have given, in a textbook also they have given, it is only maximum acceptable and all. The not only number but also biomass also calculated in that specific given area and all. But roughly nowadays, recording related to, instead of seeing or a specific number of organisms and all, they also calculate alternative methods. Why? Because it is a time being process, it is difficult process. For example, the number of total, that means total number of any wild organisms like a tiger and all. Then how it identify total number of organisms in its that pug marks, related to pug marks, as well as that fecal pellets in its national parks. So alternatively, the oblique recording related to number of the individuals and in a national park, what is the total number of tigers, total number of cheetah, total number of lions and all, based on the pug marks as well as facial pellets. Then the particular persons, they identify total number of the organism. Apart from this one, to catching of the fishes in particular lake, at once how many number of fishes that person will caught, based on the number they must set. So it is also more probably maximum similar to their original number only. That is an alternative rather than original seeing as well as calculating that respectable part and all. That is related to, there is a population related to density and all.